Check this out. They want $65 for that right there, right? This little cover piece. Rubber was all fucked up, so I just tore it off. It's all discolored too from the sun. $65 for that. So I'm gonna show you how to turn that into that. For about $5, something like that. Paint's still drying on this one, so give it a good hour, put another little coat on it, it'll be all right. You find this black rubber stuff right here they use for the floors, like in doctor's offices. I want to say if you scan that barcode, it cost me probably $3 and some change, I believe. We're gonna cut it to fit. First things first, I cut a template, measured the old one out. It's all nasty and corroded and falling apart. So, got a template, put it on here, cut it out, trace that, cut it out, cut that. So, we're gonna get that fastened in there. Simple as, nice gel type super glue. Boom. And we're gonna hit it with the first coat of paint. First coat on that, second coat on that one. And I'll show y'all what's happening when they installed. It's dry, boom, basically, finished product. It's gonna end up looking something like that. My bad, $65 a piece. And look at that. Boom. You always me.